Hello guys, in this video we will discuss how to download ChromeDriver 148. To download ChromeDriver 148, you need to go to Google and search download ChromeDriver and then click on the first website developers.chrome.com, and then you need to click on Chrome for testing availability dashboard. And from here you can download ChromeDriver 148. Simply click on stable and then it will navigate to this table, and from here you need to just select right ChromeDriver version for yourself. For example, I am using Windows 64-bit, so I will copy this URL and open it, and it will start downloading ChromeDriver 148. It will work for any ChromeDriver regardless of sub versions. You just need to check it is 148 and it will work. So in this way, you can download ChromeDriver 148 to your computer. So in this way, you can download ChromeDriver 148